So number one is with respect to this market for code or code tokens, whatever you want to call it, it might be 5% today, meaning 5% of the code's AI generated versus human generated. I think it's going to 95%. I mean, I bet any amount of money on that. The only question is when, probably over the next few years. So that's point number one. Point number two is it's possible that if you're the early leader in coding as a AI model company, let's say you have 50 to 60% market share, you have the most developers using it, therefore you have the most access to code bases, you might get the most training tokens. There is a potential flywheel there where you can see the early market leader consolidating its lead because it's generating the most code tokens and it's getting access to the most existing code. Now, I'm not saying for sure that's going to happen. It's possible that the other guys catch up, but I think there is a possibility of a flywheel there and strong, I guess you'd call it data scale effects, things like that. So I do believe that the market for coding tokens could be monopolized. Third, Anthropic's revenue run rate, is based on what I can tell and what's been publicly released, is the fastest growing revenue run rate at scale that I think we've ever seen.
Perfect segue. It's the next story.
Okay, maybe pull up the tweets. But this thing is ramping at a rate we've never seen before.
Yeah,
we can get into that in a second. But just one last final point is I think it's pretty clear that where we go from here is agents. And coding gives you a huge step up on agents because, one of the main things that agents need to do is write code to be able to enable them to complete tasks.
Correct.